Welcome back. This is Motech and I'm Noel Moses Modende. In this video, I'll show you one simple trick in Microsoft Word. It may happen you have given a document to edit which have several pages. It may be 500, no, 5 pages, 10 pages. In that page, there is most appearing word which should be replaced by another word. So, making replacement manually, it will take you a lot of time if document have many pages. So, in this video, I'll show you the automated way on which you can find and replace a word within few minutes. Uh, if you can see, this is my paragraph. Yeah, you can see it. Here there is a word called Python. No, called PHP. It have appeared 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, for it has appeared almost 5 times. So I want to replace this word PHP with word Python. So go at home, then you can get replace. So you can say PHP should be replaced with Python. So in all sentences, 5 changes were made. So close. Now you can see now Python is here. Here, Python second, fourth. So now it is Python instead of C++. That's a simple trick you can do when you are doing editing assignment, editing your report, and so on. That's the end of this video tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, ask. If you have any issue or any opinion, you may submit it. This is Motech YouTube channel, and I'm Noel Moses Modende. See you in the next video. Goodbye.